And I'm like, no way.
Yeah.
I can't believe that I'm reading that.
Yeah.
No way. I'm like in awe.
Yeah. You're seeing 20/20 in each eye.
Yes.
Both eyes are seeing 20/20. So, guys, today we have a patient where we performed cataract surgery.
Yes.
And she got a basic monofocal lens implant to correct her vision, and we targeted far vision in both eyes. So today we're going to take a look at it, do some testing. Tell me, if you don't mind, how your vision has changed since cataract surgery.
Oh my God, I felt like I was blind. I couldn't really see without glasses. But now I'm so amazed that I could see like the tiniest little wording.
That's awesome.
It's perfect. It's like, I can't believe it. I'm still in awe. I'm in shock because I can see.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Did the surgery hurt?
No, nothing.
We always numb the eye for cataract surgery. It's normal to be anxious or nervous, but we do give some sedation to try to take away the edge, the nervousness. But so cataracts, once we remove them, they don't come back. So you don't have to worry about it anymore. No more eye surgeries to be needed. Okay?
Good.
All right. So let's take a look at the eyes. There are names of lens implants. Your right eye has a lens implant called Aspire. Okay, that's a very nice lens implant. And then your left eye has a lens implant similar to Aspire. It's called Eyhance. They both give very good far vision. They even claim, both manufacturers claim to give pretty good intermediate range vision, but we'll test that. Okay? You will still need readers for small print up close.
Okay.
But I do want to test to see how your intermediate range is. Okay?
Okay.
All right, fantastic. So first off, we're going to take a look at this chart here. I'm going to dim these lights. Okay? And use your hand without pushing on your eye. This is the chart. Okay. With your left eye, and now compare, switch it to your right eye. How's the quality look to you?
Good.
Okay. Does it look better in one than the other, or are they both about the same? Compare.
Probably almost the same.
Okay. Does one look bolder? Does one look crisper? Or do the...
Like the right one looks maybe bolder than the left one.
Okay, very good. I'm going to turn on the lights right now. I'm going to give you a little reading card. Okay. And I want you to hold this out a little further, like that. But now, again, I want you to cover your left eye first. So use that without pressing on it. And what's the lowest one that you can read over there? Yeah, what's the lowest one?
Let me see.
From the numbers here on the left column.
Probably the 63925.
Okay, so I see that right there. Yeah, 63925. Now switch eyes.
I see like a 428.
So the line
429.
So the line right below it, maybe?
Yeah, 285.
Okay, now switch back to the other eye. Very good. Does one look a little bit better to you for that intermediate range vision, or are they about the same?
I think they're about the same.
Okay, fantastic. Awesome. Very good. For me, in her case, it looks like the Eyhance and the B&L Aspire, those perform very similarly for far vision and intermediate vision. But they look awesome. Okay, your eyes look great.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
All right, awesome.
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. All right, thank you.